So now let's see how we can work around with the blur effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a clip right here, and in order to add in a blur effect I need to go around under the effects tab right here, and once I go around over here I can expand out the blur section right here, and here you can see that the third effect is the blur effect. So I'm just going to go around and click and drag this blur effect out over here on my clip right here, and you can see that this is what you have, and I can go around and expand this right here to increase out the blur right here and decrease this out to decrease out the blur accordingly right here. Over here you can see that there's heavy, medium, and there's subtle right here as the presets of blur effect. You can go around and change around the radius of the blur effect as well. You can change around the iteration right here, and that changes around the size right here, as you can see right here. For the dimension you can go around and choose horizontal and vertical, or this horizontal blur right here. So once I do that, you can see that only a horizontal level of blur is applied out right here, just like this. If I were to go around onto vertical, then what happens is that you only have the vertical level of blur right here. So if I were to go around and resize this, then you can see that this is the blur right here. You can see that the edge is very sharp right here. But if I were to go around and disable the clamp to edge right here, then what happens is that this is how the blur is. The edges are blurred out as well. So if I were to go around and choose horizontal and vertical right here, then it blurs out both, even the edges from the both sides, as you can see right here. Or you can go around and clamp to edge as you like, just like this as well. So this is how you can go around and use the blur effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.